Meaning of extensive.
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 Extensive. The word extensive means covering a large area or having a broad scope. It implies that something is widespread, comprehensive, and inclusive. For example, an extensive study covers a vast amount of data and information, while an extensive vacation involves visiting many places and experiencing various cultures. In business, extensive research means conducting thorough investigations to gain insights into customer behavior or market trends. It is an essential word that communicates the scale and depth of something, highlighting its far-reaching impact or significance. Overall, extensive conveys the idea of something being thorough, comprehensive, and all-encompassing.